guys, it's Jake here. Today we'll be playing Little Ape. So this game is like I'm like a gorilla and I need to escape from monsters. If you don't want scary video, this is a scary video. So if you're scared, you can don't watch it, okay? So that's the monster over there. Let's go run. Run! The black guy is gonna catch me. Yes, I did it. Yes, I escaped. So this guy is scary. Yap, yap, beep. Hey, run. Oh, why are you running? Is there an entity? Oh, baby gorilla. Here's the red monster, the red gorilla. Hello. Come on. Come on, you stinky guy. Oh, I see. Oh, no. Run. Oh, no. Oh, now we made the terrible mistake. She's still chasing us. Why are you guys running? It's not even here. Gold. Yeah, I finally found gold. Oh no, it's a miner guy. Sorry if I don't know the games because it's my first time playing. Run! It's miner guy. Run! Run for my life. I'm running for my life. Oh, no, not there. Oh, no. Oh, guys, I got scared. Oh, no. Yes, I did it. Yay! That's cool. Oh, no. That's a monster. Wow. It's made loud noises. Okay, run away! Oh, no, bros. Oh, no. Run! Richard! No! He's camping! Richard! Ah! Guys, it's so spooky. I just want to get my gold bars. Yay! Gold bar. Yay! Found 2 gold bars. Oh, there's the other monster. The purple guy. What are these? What are those? They're speaking like Skibidi Toilet. Huh. Run! What's bro doing? Hey! Oh my god! No! No! Why did I die? What's this monster's room? What? Where did I go? Oh, this is where we see the entity. This monster was not created by me. I just created the model. Roblox credits to still alive. Ashy. Let's go read. So that's Ashy. The other miner guy, that's Gus. That's Koos. And Sandman. And Das Guba. Lost. Bloodman. I knew it. Forest monsters. Wait, what? Forest monsters? What? There's many maps. Okay. So that's the end for our video. Bye guys. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this to your friends or family. Bye. Comment down below if this was fun. If you guys wanna play it, the name of the game is Little Ape in Roblox. Bye. Jake is out.